Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Archmaker. So fun stuff about Taylor Swift. As many know, whether you're a Taylor Swift fan or not, she was on the Kelsey's wildly popular podcast called New Heights. And in that, we learned that Taylor wears toe spacers while on stage. So what is a toe spacer? So a toe spacer is this. It is worn between the big toe and your other toes, so pretty much in here, and it's often worn because they have pain in between your toes. So that's a toe spacer. That's what Taylor Swift wears. So I thought this would be a nice way of telling you all these other gel products that are available on Amazon, among other places, that help small podiatric problems. So toe spacers for pain in between the big toe and the next toe. They also make bunion shields with the toe spacer. So shout out to Taylor Swift if she has this. So this is where you're trying to separate the big toe from your other toes, but you also have a bunion shield. So with a bunion, which is this big toe joint, you're putting the spacer and then a protector on the big toe joint. So that's toe spacer with a bunion shield. Next, they have bunion shields that have no toe spacers. So that looks like this. Next, they have toe caps. So this one is for the big toe. They also make ones for the small toe. That's when you get lots of blistering on your toes, and it's a great thing to wear if you have that. There's also this lovely item for the small toe. So that's if you have corns or problems with chafing on the small toe, this is what you wear. This is a toe sling, and this can be made, as I told you, for the big toe or for the small toe. All right, so a bunion and a bunionette. Lastly, the other popular pads that I have are these pads. They have gel on the inside, and many people wear it on all the little toes here, especially if you have hammer toes that look like this. And this is called a crest pad. This is put on your worst hammer toe. Let's say it's this one. Okay, so if your hammer toe looks like this, you're putting this on underneath all your toes. So what does this actually do? When you step on it and you pull it, it straightens the toe and it allows your whole foot to now walk with flat toes. So this can be worn with an orthotic or without an orthotic, but it's called a crest pad, and it's for hammer toes, especially if you have multiple hammer toes. So 2 pads for hammer toes. This is a corn pad, this is a crest pad. Toe sling for the baby toe or for the bunion, 2 different pads, and toe cap. And lastly, what Taylor Swift wears, which is a toe separator or a toe separator with a bunion sling. Hope that's helpful. Lots of fun things that can solve some very easy foot problems.